Reminiscing the ZX Spectrum's view. Pixelated graphics, simple and plain, but oh, the memories they contain. ZX Spectrum, a retro friend, beloved machine, until the end. Your childhood tunes, they still inspire a nostalgic feeling that won't expire. Rubber keys, a tactile delight, typing basic through the night. Loading programs, cassette by tape, a bygone era we can't escape. ZX Spectrum, our retro friend, beloved machine, until the end. Your childhood tunes, they still inspire a nostalgic feeling that won't expire. Rubber keys, a tactile delight, typing basic through the night. Loading programs, cassette by tape, a bygone era we can't escape. Simplicity, the key to its charm, a time when gaming kept us warm. No fancy graphics, just pure fun. ZX Spectrum, you were the one. ZX Spectrum, a retro friend, beloved machine, until the end. Your childhood tunes, they still inspire a nostalgic